Hello everyone, this is a video about this Nakamichi LX-3 that has been gifted to me by one of my dear friends, and this Nakamichi was brand new, never used, and it was in a storage, and I set it up and played it, and everything was okay. All the belts, they've been okay, and suddenly after a while when I started to use it, it just developed some sort of noise, and then nothing was working. Anyhow, all the belts have been changed by professionals, and nothing is out of place, and everything was good. And after a while it started again, that knocking noise that is coming in the vicinity of the idler. And the idler has been cleaned, but the tire was not changed while the belts been changed and repaired everything. And because this was a brand new item, so everything else is in good condition, and it's never been on the mains. It was taken out of the mains and then put in a storage. And then even when I set it up for a couple of years, more than a couple of years, all the time the mains was off, or it was taken off the mains, so no electricity was in there. And I have to say, this one is a Canadian model. It means it's taking 110 volts rather than 250 volts, and I have a transformer there that provides the appropriate voltage for this item. And because that one is not really trusted, that transformer, so I'm not going to use it a lot, only for occasional having fun with this unit. Anyhow, the unit, as soon as you turn it on, it makes a noise, and then I'm going to demonstrate that, and we are going to see. Everything is fantastic, is in clean condition apart from the scratch, a little bit of a scratch here and on the top because it was in storage. Anyhow, the volume is down, and then I just turn it on, and you can listen to the noise now. I stay quiet for a while. Oh, it's good to turn the mains on. Yeah. And now just listen. Did you hear that? And it makes this noise with the fast forward, rewind, and all of that. This is the rewind. And if anyone knows what is wrong with this unit, please, please, please help me out and leave a comment in the comment section, and I greatly appreciate that. And then, as you see, again, forward, everything working, but this knocking noise that is coming from this vicinity, and I think is the idler, but again, it could be something else. And the rewind, you see the sound weakens, a strength is different, and everything is working as it should, but that noise is a little bit crazy. And when you are playing it, the noise is going a little bit lesser, but still is making a knocking noise, and you know, it's embarrassing really for Nakamichi. And the idler tire has been cleaned thoroughly, but still everything, every component here has been cleaned thoroughly. The pinch roller, the capstans, and you know, the heads, everything has been cleaned up, and everything around there. You see, it's really bad. You know, I love this unit because first of all, it is a present from my dear friend, and second of all, is Nakamichi. It's really sad to see it like this. And I just play a little bit of song. You see, the noise is getting lesser. You see this knocking noise? I hope you can hear that. And this tape was recorded with Nakamichi with a normal settings. And this is the Dolby, and this is Dolby C. And everything off. I hope someone out there can help me out and advise me as to what could be wrong. And as you see, the wow and flutter, everything is fantastic. Nothing is wrong with this. The speed, everything is good. But that knocking noise, this knocking noise, and then, you know, the rewind is getting even louder. The mechanism, it doesn't make any noise. It's just as it should, but the, you know, I think it is the idler. I have already ordered the idler tire to see how it goes, but in general, I'm really sad. Please help me out, because it's such a pity that this unit is going like this. And the quality is second to none. The recording, I recorded this with all of these problems that I have with this, and it still performs well. Anyhow, in my next video I will show you maybe the inside of this. If you are interested, let me know in the comment box. I'm going to open it up and show it to you what's going on inside. But for the time being, thanks for watching, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.